Okay, good morning, everyone. Morning, can you all hear me? Okay, good to see everyone here. Fantastic, we have people streaming in soon. No need to see my face. Want to see my face? Hang on. Okay, morning. Let's get started. Okay, news. We have a news, right? Trump got COVID, right? Okay, then the market corrected a bit, and then after that, now it's recovering again. Okay, so let's get started. Same thing, we're gonna go through the three things. First thing, we're gonna go through market outlook. Second one, we want to go through is the stocks that we talk about. This one, since we have been managing our portfolio, so we want to talk about portfolio. And lastly, we want to talk about your stocks. Okay, so today we have three stocks from our graduates group. The three stocks are, well, the three stocks that you all chose. Baba, Microsoft, and Square. Okay, by the 91 votes for Baba, Microsoft got 78 votes, and Square got 67 votes. Okay, so we do the three stocks. Okay, for the public, welcome. Okay, welcome for joining us. We have like 200 over in the public's group. Okay, okay, so let's get started. Disclaimer, yes, thanks Amy for reminding me. Okay, whatever I share with you all is for education purpose. Type yes if you agree. It's for education purpose, not advice to buy and sell. Yes or no? Okay, good. Okay, so let's get started. Okay, first thing first, you want to look through is the index. Okay, let's look at S&P 500 first. Okay, S&P 500. Okay, we will use the Trader GPS to help to guide us. Okay, Trader GPS, the weekly charts. Okay, this is a revision for those who have went through this before. We are using the Trader GPS to help us for long term. We are using the weekly chart Trader GPS. And basically, we have the candlestick turn blue, which is turning bullish, and then break above support, break above resistance. Okay, and then right now is support turn resistance turn support. Okay, so generally longer term we are still bullish. Okay, on the S&P 500. How many have seen this chart, S&P 500 weekly charts before? Type me if you have seen it before. Correct or not? Okay, so you by now you should know, right? We are still not long term. We are still not bearish. Okay, we are generally still bullish on the longer term. Okay, however, on the shorter term, okay, on the shorter term, let's zoom in a bit. On the shorter term, we have the S&P 500 down. Is a daily charts. Okay, the daily charts. This was the buy signal, and then the daily charts tell us right now. The sell signal. Okay, so we have the sell signal over here. Yes or no? Okay, so we have the buy and then we have the sell over at this part. How many have seen this before? Type me. Okay, so a shorter term. Next 1 year. Admin, can you please help me mute, please? Okay. Okay, so on the shorter term, 3 to 6 months, okay, we are still cautious. 1 year, we are still bullish. Can all follow? Type yes if you follow. Very good. Okay, any question on S&P 500? So next, I would say 3 to 9 months, right? I'll say next 1 to 2 months, especially be more cautious. Especially when you see the signal, right? Over here, there is already a signal to sell already. Okay, at least you sell off first, wait and see. Okay, it may turn bullish again or it may remain bearish. Okay, any question? No question, I move on. Okay, next is NASDAQ. Okay, so for the public, right, I want to share with you all that having a system is very important. Okay, when you know have a system, you know exactly long term or short term when to get in and out, rather than you are little sampan in the ocean. You know that here from this part onwards, okay, long term, this is already bullish. Right now, even with this correction, okay, right now, if you are long term, 1 to 2 years, you should still remain long at this moment and not sell, okay, and shouldn't short in the first place, okay. So this long term Nasdaq still up. Yes or no? Type yes if you agree, or type yes if you heard what I say. Okay. Shorter term, we have to go 3 to 9 months. 3 to 9 months, we have the buy signal over here, and then we sell our position over here. Okay. After we close our position, we lock in about 28%. That's it. Okay. Let's wait for the next move. Whether it's going up or down, let's wait for the next move. Okay. Clear? Any question? Okay, so on the hedging part, right, I add in something new right now. Okay, I add in something new over here. It is, I add in like, sometimes we will talk about, what is the percentage to hedge and things like that. So I put it over here, 30%. Okay, so right now it's not like bearish. Okay, it's not bearish, but because this part really sell signal. So let's say example, you have like say 3 long position, then you can consider to do 1 long short position, especially the oil stocks or the airline stocks. You follow what I'm saying? Okay, so you can use short the weak stocks. Okay, any question? If you have question, type in the question. If not, we move on. No question. Okay, next we go to STI. Let's go to STI first. Okay, STI. STI or the long-term weekly charts is still bearish, okay, or sideways, I would say, okay, because you see over here the sell signal appear. This is a weekly chart actually, okay, weekly chart. This is a sell signal and then remain red color. Okay, one thing to notice is this part, the COM is starting to turn up. That means this down move over here is getting less bearish. Okay, it's getting less bearish. That's why you see this thing is going up this way. Okay, so on top of that, if you have the long term, then you can also consider to do a buy at this level. Okay, at this level, you can look at the buy at this level. Okay, so I already put that up over here. Long term STI buy is 1 to 2 years. Okay, right now the trend is still not up, okay, still down, okay, or it's sideways. Okay, so but if you have money to hold long term, you can consider to buy in tranches. Okay, last week I mentioned support level. This STI is not a support level, but you must break it up into tranches, maybe 3 tranches or so, right, to know how to get in. Okay, any question? If not, then let's move on. Okay, so you can buy ES3, correct? You can buy ES3. That is the ETF. Okay, by the way, this is long term. That means there may be opportunity cost. Understand? So opportunity cost meaning to say that you may end up holding it for 1 year, 2 years kind of thing. Okay, 3 or 4 batches. Yeah, you can do. You can do it in batches. Okay, maybe just equal size, or you can do equal size, or you can do pyramid style also can. Okay, but the idea, of course, you can use CPF to buy. By the way, do you know, right, your CPF, if you are using your special account, okay, please go ahead and check with the CPF people. Okay, but if you are using CPF account, okay, you can use up to 100%. Okay, normally for stocks it's only 35%. Okay, investable amount limit, but for STI ETF is 100%. Okay, but go and check with CPF. Okay, go and check with CPF. I think over long term, you are better off to put in the STI rather than just to trade. Put into CPF. Okay, long term, the context is long. Okay, that means for retirement. Okay, so if you are long term enough, okay, if you are long term enough, This is 19 Asia financial crisis, SARS, global financial crisis, and what do we call this crisis? COVID crisis. Okay, so since then, right, I'm looking at bottom to bottom, it's a 155%. Do you follow what I'm saying? Type yes if you understand. Okay, I'm not talking about going to the high, I'm talking about going to the low, and the low to low, right? Even inflation, right, is already there. Make sense or not? Okay. Okay, so yes, so CPF is 4% compounded lah. Okay, 4% compounded, and can you go and check whether got 155% or not? Okay, 4% compounded. Whether 155. Oh yeah, by the way, this one doesn't include your 3.5% dividend, okay, because they still pay dividend 3.5%, around 3.5% a year. Okay, this one 155% haven't included the 3.5% per year. Okay, guys, are we all good? Type good if you are good. Okay, we now got 500 people in the public group. Guys, you all know what to do, right? Okay, if you recommend SMT to the public outside, can you all type in SMT? Okay, I'll put it in the public here, okay, so that everybody can see. Okay, thank you, guys. Okay, thanks. Okay, so for those in the public, okay, if you want to come and join us in as part of our SMT community, you can go to this link over here. I put it below. Okay, link3.com/CollinSeow. Okay, so you can go and find out how to be part of our growing community. Thank you, guys. Thanks. I don't want to name names. I cannot finish. Okay, Pauline, Vincent, Jimmy, Darren, Glenn, Crystal, Jeremy, Timothy, and Eric, Desmond, Eric again, Queen Lee, Han Yong, Gregory, Chong, Peter, Ross. Okay, enough lah. So let's go back and thank everyone, okay, for being for recommending SMT to the public. Okay, let's go on. Okay, let's go on. Make this smaller. Is it too early to buy? I don't know. Okay, I don't know. Okay, average down cycle, an average recession, an average down cycle is about 1.4 years. Okay, 1.4 years. Okay, so from until it finish, okay, from the start to the finish, right, is 1.4 years. So you're going to calculate half of that is about how long? Half of 1.4 years is about 8-9 months. Okay, 8 to 9 months, you may hit a bottom already. Alternatively, which is what Li Chin say, alternatively, you can wait for candlestick turn blue. Very good, Li Chin. Okay, so coming soon, yes or no? Okay, but for STI, right, it is whippy lah. Okay, just to let you know. Okay, next. Okay, next, let's go into other index. What index you want to see? HSI. Okay, HSI. Guys, members of the public, can you all put in please like and share this post also? Okay, I'm thinking whether I should do this or not. You know, who was here at the Jack Schrager event? Type me. It was at the Jack Schrager event yesterday. Interviewed Jack Schrager, right? Okay, so he's coming out with a new book in November. It's coming out with a new book in November. It's not even out yet. Okay, it's going to be out soon. Okay, so let me do this. Okay, for those graduates, you can go later into the public group, right? Go and like and share the post. Okay, hashtag SMT. Hashtag SMT. I'll give out one book lah. Okay, I don't know how much is the book. Okay, but I'll give out one book. Okay, just go and like and share. And I will give up this book. Okay, this book is a new book by Jack Schrager. Okay, it's a new book by Jack Schrager that will be out. It's called Unknown Market Wizard. Okay, by Jack Schrager. I think it's in book depository already. Okay, so here, I think it's here. Okay, later go and like and share the post, and then like and share the post. I'll buy the book, and then I'll give the book to one lucky winner who like and must like and share and hashtag SMT in the public. Okay, if you never nobody yes free one okay outside one right. If you want to like and share and hashtag SMT, then I will after that 1 hour later about 12 o'clock I will choose one winner. Okay, graduate, you all can go and go to the public and like and share. Okay. Can okay, remember we graduates later we find out some other interesting things. Okay, so those people in the public you want to like and share already, hashtag SMT. Later I will find the SMT people who hashtag SMT and I'll give out book by 12 o'clock. Okay, let's go back to Hang Seng. Okay, let's go back to Hang Seng. Okay, just spur of the moment thing. Okay, anyway, it's good to give lah. Okay. Okay, this number, right? This hedge number, I will change accordingly. Okay, this hedge number, I will change accordingly. So based on the market, okay, let's say if it's very bullish, then we will have less hedge. If it's bearish, then we will have more hedge. Do you follow what I'm saying, Susan? Okay. Okay. Any question? Okay, so Hang Seng is about the same as our. Hang Seng is about the same as our STI. Okay, in fact, Hang Seng is a bit more bullish than Singapore. Okay, so a bit more bullish than Singapore. So I think it is still haven't hit that trend line yet. Okay, but it is like sideways. Okay, it's like sideways. So support level. Okay, Hang Seng will be at around this level, 21,500, and resistance. If there's a few level of resistance, okay, resistance will be at somewhere here, and maybe even higher. Okay, got it. Okay, so determine the hedge factor is I will determine. Okay, this one very hard to teach. Okay, every week when we do the webinar, I will share with you based on the reading of the market. I will decide whether to do 30%, 40%, 50%, or you get what I mean? Based on whether it's bearish. If it's bearish, then we hedge more. If it's bullish, then we hedge less. But yes, then we can move on, guys. Okay, so at least you all know how much to hedge. You know, it's like hedge basically just find one shot of all the long and look for one shot. Okay, so next is let's go to any 30% is around 30%. Okay, around 30%. So let's say example you are right now 3 long position, then you can consider maybe 1 short position. Do you follow what I'm saying? Let's say you are 4 long, you consider 1 short position. You should not be like 5 long position all long. Do you follow what I'm saying? Okay. Let's say example you're 2 long, maybe you don't even need to hedge. Don't have 30 long, must enter 10. Guys, you're not supposed to have 30 long position. Okay, you're supposed to manage your risk and not to have so many long position. Okay, keep it manageable. I think around 5 will be good. So how you hedge? Okay, I bit diverting. Can I divert to the hedging part or now or later? Now or later? Now. Okay. So how you hedge? Very simple. Let's say example you do a screener. Okay. And we have some stocks like we have CrowdStrike, Marvell, Workday, Zoom, and HMP. Yes or no? Okay, we already have these stocks, right? Okay, so what we do is let's say I have 5 positions. So right now I can find 1 weak stocks, okay, to short. How many have scanned this before? This weak, rank from weak to strong. How many have done it before? Type me if you have done it before. Have you all seen that this AKLA appearing always at the weakest? Type yes if you all have seen it before. Oh, you have seen it before, right? It's weak, right? Okay, so this is a weak stock. Okay, Pintoto recently also come out, right? Okay, Pintoto, yes or no? Type yes if you have seen it before. Recently also came out the sell signal. Okay, so then you can find weak stocks to short. Do you follow what I'm saying? Following same thing, following the trader GPS method. Okay, following the trader GPS method, you find the weak stocks to short. Got it? Again, you need to check the mode. Yes, very good point. Okay, like example, Pintoto, the mode is bullish. Cannot, okay? You need to look for things that are bearish. How many here existing currently you are having short position or using Trader GPS, or you can type in the stock name, then it can help you to see whether it's a good short position. Okay, Exxon, okay, USO. One or two can already lah, okay? So if you are using short position, then very good, because you are using Trader GPS, right, to short it, right? Not. Okay, then just hang on to the short. Do you follow what I'm saying? Okay, Nicola also said you can use that as the short to hedge your long. That means your what you're thinking is strong remain stronger, like my Zoom, CrowdStrike want to remain stronger, okay? Strong remain stronger and weak remain weaker. Okay, so if the market goes sideways, okay, this one will go up more, okay? This one will go up maybe less or even drop. When the market go up, this one will go up a lot more, this one will go up lesser. If the market goes down, this one will go down a lot more, this one will go down lesser. Do you all follow what I'm saying? Okay, so go and find one, okay, and put it into your list, okay, and put into your list, and then use that as the protection. Do you follow what I'm saying? Okay, I don't really like to do the index, because sometimes the index, right, can be strong also. Okay, that's why I don't like to do the index. Okay, so you want to really look for weak stocks. Okay, example USO also, right? USO is another weak stock. So when you get in, is same thing. Use Trader GPS to get in. Yes or no? Like yesterday, right? We have a signal for short for USO. Yes or no? Oh, okay. You can use this as a short for USO. Type yes if you agree. Oh, so this you can use it as a short for USO. In fact, this is like arrow number 1 on the USO. Yes or no? Okay, you can do position daily. You can do swing also. So if you want to swing, then you go swing. That means position daily will be 3 to 9 months. If you are doing swing, then will be about 1 to 6 months. Okay, so you want to do weekly swing, and you can do the same thing again. You can rank by arrows. Yes or no? Okay, this one all green one cannot do. Okay, then you can find those red one. Okay, find those red one to look for short. Okay, to look for short. Like example, this. Can you see, guys? All these are swing setup. Okay, all these are swing setup. Can see not? Okay, the price, the trend is down. This is going up. CCI high already. Okay, so wait for trigger, then you can go short. Yes or no? Type yes if you can see that. Type repeat if you cannot see that. Okay, okay. Yes, of course. Short still follow the same principle. 1, 2, and 3 arrows. Okay. For the public, right? For the public, if you want to get this free training video on how to do the swing setup, you can go to here. Okay, there's a training video on how the swing setup work. Okay, public, please go and like and share. Hashtag SMT. Okay, later I'll give out the free book. Okay, and the graduates also please do the same thing also. Okay, you like and share. And like and share and hashtag SMT, right? I will also give you okay, maybe graduate will have a higher chance. I don't know. Okay, so okay, guys, have I covered the hedge question already? Any other question on hedging? No, okay, next, let's move on. Okay, very basic question. Maybe in the graduates group, you all go and ask, okay? Then in the graduates, hey, by the way, I want to commend you all. You know, you are really very responsive in the Facebook group. Okay, well done, guys. Okay, I see some new people just post like 2 hours, like 20 comments, you know. So well done. You know, this is how the community work. Okay, this is how the community work. This one, wow, still blurred, okay? But you really want to do this as a community. Like I see investing, right? Are you here investing? Okay, like how he follow up with the trade, since 6th of August, how he follow up trade, 59 comments, and how the trade went up now 89%, okay, since 6th of August, and he follow up with the trade. Do you follow what I'm saying? That is very important. So I want to commend you all for doing that, okay? So continue to do the same thing, okay? Continue to do the same thing, continue to comment, continue to add value, especially the more senior one, add value to the junior one, okay? Okay, let's move on. Okay, index, any other question? Clap hand for everyone. Yes, well done, guys, especially the new graduates. Eli Ching also, clap hand for you. Okay. Okay, let's go to our stocks, okay? Go to our stocks, okay? So let's go first one. Okay, this week we don't have any stocks, okay? That's why I scan nothing much. Yes or no? You all do a scan, you'll see nothing much also. Okay, so CrowdStrike. CrowdStrike is our stocks that we put in 31st of August. Wow, so long already. 1 month. 1 month already. More than 1 month already. Seems like it's quite short, but it's actually quite long. Okay, this is 31st of August. We went in. Okay, not very profitable yet. Okay, how many got CrowdStrike? Type in CRWD. Okay, so from here, right? First arrow with teeth. Yes or no? First arrow with teeth. We went in 31st. Okay lah, up about 15%. Good or no good? Type good if it's good. Good lah, the market correct. You all make money, right? Still make money. Okay. So what do you do now with CrowdStrike? Hang on. Okay, nothing to do. Okay, next one. Not guys. Okay, so how y'all watch the webinar with Jack Schwager, right? The key is not about hit rate. Key is not about hit rate. The key is to be. You see, those people are doing short-term trading. The same principle apply. You see, they can even test fire and get wrong, but once they get right, they get huge return. Do you follow what I'm saying? So don't just focus on the hit rate. Focus on when you're correct, how much money you make. Do you follow what I'm saying? Okay. In fact, that is how trading is that you fire, and then if you're wrong, then you quickly get small losses. But when you're correct, you want to get big gains. That's how you make money. But yes, if you understand what I'm talking about. Okay, so don't just focus on I don't cut loss. Like if you don't cut loss, then please don't trade. Okay, but if you want to trade, then you understand that the key is like that. Okay, the key is like that. Okay, so this one 31st August, first arrow with teeth. From now on, up about 3%. Okay, still about 3%. Hang on to your trade. I don't know how the Nasdaq is doing. Okay, let me check the Nasdaq. 31st of August till now. 31st of August till now. Just want to check. Okay, 31st August, which is here. Okay, guys. Now you understand the principle of comparative strength. You see Nasdaq from 31st August here, right? 31st August is here, right? Has dropped 7%. Yes or no? But CrowdStrike has went up 15%. Marvell is up 3%. So you understand why is it you need to use the ranking? Because the whole market, the whole Nasdaq dropped, yes or no? But some of the stock go up, like CrowdStrike, Marvell, Workday, like that. Some of the stocks go up. That's why you can identify what are the strong stock. Do you need to go and do your FA, your fundamental, your value? No need. Okay. Do you need to do your TA? TA, every stock will be the same. Do you follow what I'm saying? What you want to do is really to focus on the correct stock, right the trend. Okay. So you see Nasdaq is down, CrowdStrike, Marvell still up. Okay. Workday. Workday is 31st. When Workday? Workday 25th. Okay, 25th here. This one don't make money now. Okay, so 25th, 26th we got in. Still about 2%. Hang on. Okay, who have Marvell and Workday? Type your stocks. The more you type, the more you go up. Okay, Marvell or Workday or both also have. Okay. Okay, next one is our favorite stock, ZM. Who have ZM? Type ZM. Oh, there a lot of people have lah. Okay. Okay. So since 21st of 24, okay, guys, almost like 5 weeks already, right? Okay. So since here 24th, when we got in here, first arrow with teeth, today is 64%. Voila! Okay, so guys, okay, so you see Zoom versus your Nasdaq. Okay, so you need to understand the power of comparative scan. Okay, so don't chase, guys. Wait for next trade. Okay, are we all good? Type good if it's good. Okay. Next, and guys, focus on trading well. Don't focus on make money. Okay, focus on doing the right thing. Okay, don't focus on just how to make money. Okay. So last one is HZMP. Who still have HZMP? I want to congratulate you for hold until now. Who still have HZMP? Type in HZMP. Only Sean have. Who else still have? All take profit already, is it? Oh, Bruce still have. Well done, Bruce. Okay. Who else have HZMP? Doris, Doris, why you don't have? 66% already, okay, since the time we bought. Okay, this is 18th of May, which is here. 18th of May is here. Yeah, about 60%. Yes or no? Okay, so outside also have some of them. Okay, hang on to the trade. Nothing much you need to do. Okay, nothing much you need to do right now. I want to share with you one more thing, friends. Is the key, right, of this how to make money is not buy and sell. I say again, the key to make money in stock market is not buy and sell. The key of make money is to hold. Do you follow what I'm saying? Leo, right? Okay, is to buy already and hold. Activities buy and sell doesn't generate profit. Do you follow what I'm saying? Activities are dangerous. Some people confuse activities with profit. It's not like that. Like, you don't need to do much. 1.5 months Zoom, you just hang on, right? HMP since May, this is like how many months already? Still hold. Do you follow what I'm saying? Like Tesla, like that, still hold. Then you don't need to do anything. You only got 5 chances only. You only got 5 stocks to fire. Yes or no? Don't go and fire 20 stocks. Don't confuse activities with profit. The best thing you need to do is what? You got all 5 positions are all making money, then you just relax. You want that, don't you? Like, yes, if you want that. Okay? That's why you want to ride the trend. If you got next signal, then you add on a bit more. That's what you want to do. Okay, guys, next one is this swing trade. This swing trade, last week one, all last week trade. IGN, AMD, and Microsoft, last week one. Okay, so REGN. Okay, REGN. How many did this trade? Type in REGN. Okay, triggered, right, guys? How many got REGN? I only got 1 person now. Okay. No trigger. Trigger already, guys. Okay, last week, right? It triggered already. Our price came down, triggered already. So stop loss. Use the 1SL as the stop loss, slightly below here. Okay, use below here lah. Okay, that will be the stop loss. Okay, guys. either put here for good measure, or you can put here as a stop loss. But it's triggered. Can you all see it's triggered? You want to wait for 591 trigger also can. Okay, 591 trigger is last week I talked about, right? Okay, so you drill down to daily. This one, right? A lot of people confused. Just last week we talked about this, right? A lot of people confused. So I said, never mind lah. Just candlestick trigger guarantee. Because 591 trigger, right? 591 trigger is like you go and analyze the stocks. Do you follow what I'm saying? Last week I talked about that, right? 591 trigger is because I go and analyze the stocks. Do you follow what I'm saying? But for a lot of pure, actually no need lah. Just wait for candlestick trigger. Can already. Got it? That's why after the class, I say, never mind lah. You'll just follow what you taught in class. Okay? Okay. Next one. Okay, so either you trigger, if you are not triggered, okay, use the, I think you can use the 587 as trigger. Okay, type in 587. 587. Okay, 587 as trigger. Okay, it is not following the Trader's GPS swing, okay, but around here, okay, above this candle high trigger. Okay, next. AMD. Who has AMD? Type in AMD. AMD, I think a lot of you have. Okay? Yes or no? Was it triggered? Type yes if it's triggered. Correct. Okay, it's triggered, right? So basically, hang on. You are in the swing already, yes or no? Okay, you're in the swing already. Just hang on to the trade. Okay, so swing it up. And then see whether you can get higher profits. Okay. Next one is Microsoft. Who has Microsoft? In MSFT. Okay. Triggered also, right? Weekly charts. Yes or no? Is it triggered? Triggered already. Okay. So hang on. Next 1 month. Okay, Susan, you want to enter 579 also can. Okay. RGN also can. That means you wait for trigger again. Okay, RGN. Yeah, 579. Okay, trigger. Okay, so if not, then you just wait for the previous candle high. Okay, I think that's easier for a lot of people. Okay. The drilling down is a bit difficult to explain. Okay, because drilling down, you need to look at support resistance. Okay, you need the support resistance. You all want to know or not? But yes, if you want to know. But you see how my challenge is like that. Last week, actually, I teach already. Then end up so many questions. Do you follow what I'm saying? Last week, I teach already, right? But end up, wow, so many questions again. Okay, let me see whether I can do this. Okay. Okay, so first thing first, do you understand that this is uptrend? Yes or no? This is correction. Yes or no? Now my question is, when do you think it will go up? Yes or no? When do you think it will go up lah? Okay, so we're always looking for the turning up. Okay, the turning up. So there are a few ways to know whether it turn up. One of the fastest ways is the previous candle high. Yes or no? The previous candle high is what we teach in class. Look at the previous candle high to trigger. That is the closest form of trigger. Okay, what are the other ways to trigger? Okay, I'll show you a few ways to trigger. One way is look at the trend line. Can you all see this? Look at the trend line. Okay, if I go to daily charts, this is a trigger. Do you all follow what I'm saying? That's another way. Okay, look at the trend line. Another way is look at the blue line. Can you see the 40 MA? Type yes if you can see the 40 MA. Okay, if it goes above the 40 MA like this, like here, okay, then it's a trigger. Okay, so there are many ways so the question you need to ask yourself is, this down move, right? This down move, when will it finish? Do you all follow what I'm saying? Because this down move over here, this down move over here on the daily charts, okay, is actually on the weekly chart is just like this move only. Do you follow what I'm saying? We know that the long-term trend is up still, but now it's correction. But on the shortest time frame, that means on the smallest time frame, when do you think it will go up? Type yes, is it okay? Okay, so one of the ways we should teach in class, again I repeat, is to look for the previous swing high. Let's say, example, you can trigger this candle, yes or no? That means once it breaks above the previous high, trigger this candle, okay? Or you can look at the trend line. You can go to a smaller time frame, you can look at a trend line to trigger. Okay, like example, this is a trigger. Or you want to be careful, you look at the red line, the blue line, the moving average line to be trigger. Okay, I'll share with you one more tips. Okay, so you've noticed that this is like do you notice that this stock stopped dropping? This here, from here to here, it stopped dropping already. It's like some kind of force that is saying, I don't want to go down some more already. Type yes if you understand. From here to here, right? This partner is telling you that, hey, I don't want to go down some more already. Yes or no? Huh? So then, how do I know that it's going to go up? If you haven't buy right now, how do I know it's going up? Go above here lah. Do you follow what I'm saying? Type yes if you understand. And when it goes above here, then you know on the weekly chart, it's triggered already. Got it? Later, you will ask me in the graduate group again. Then I got to explain again. Okay, guys, if any question, if you have question, type the question. If you understand, type good, okay? No question, so all good, very good. I'm very happy. Okay. Because last week I teach already, then later people ask me, and then I follow the previous method easier. Stunt you. Okay, good guys. Later it's recorded. Later you can watch in the webinar. Okay, let's finish up the stocks. Okay, LHX. Okay, LHX. We have LHX. But me, you have LHX. No, sorry. That LHX if you have LHX. LHX, Evelyn have, Victor so already. Who else? Nobody have. Okay. Since August, right? Okay, this is a swing setup. Cover already, oh, you're very fast. Okay, cover progressively. Okay, guys, when you cover the stock like Li Chin and Victor, right? When you cover the stock, you must find another hedge. Do you all follow what I'm saying? Let's say, example, you use this as a hedge, right? You cover already, got no more hedge already. You need to find another hedge. Or Sean also took profit, but same thing lah. You need to, unless you switch horse, you switch horse to, let's say, to some of the oil stocks and things like that. Okay, do you follow what I'm saying? Okay, but you need to find back your cover and find back your hedge. Okay, so this is trend down. Okay, for the public, right? If you want to know how this setup work, I post up. It's free, right? There's a 3-part video on how this setup work. Okay, CollinSeow.com/ecourse-o. Okay, ecourse-o. So you're going to fill up how to, or you're going to join us as part of the community. Join our community. We have usually not every Tuesday, alternate Tuesday. We will share with you how to be part of this growing community. Okay, link3-CollinSeow. Okay, go and join us in part of this. Okay, the SMT if you want to encourage others to join SMT, okay, type SMT. Okay, guys, thank you. Okay, I always like to have fun. Okay, let's next one. FISV. Okay, FISV. This one a bit challenging, right? Okay, very noisy. Yes or no? Oh, the stop loss is here. The target. If along the way you might have take profit, okay. If how many still have this one? FISV. Well, this one need to be careful. Who's got FISV? Okay, Bruce still have. Okay, if you are short, it's okay. Just leave it. Okay, stop loss remain here. Got it? I'll take profit also. Wow, Sean is very fast. Every time take profit. They can also take profit. Right? So if you have taken profit, progressive profit, good. Okay. If you have not taken, because this is already how long already? Since 2 months already. If you're not taking profit and you want to hang on, then what you do is use this as stop loss. If got go down, then take a profit. Okay. Got it? Okay. So I think majority already. Sorry. Okay. FSL. Don't anyhow don't stop loss prematurely. Okay. Still same thing. Wait for thing to go in. Okay. Next one. STI. This one you need me to go through. Anyone you need me to go through? Type in the stock name if you need me to go through. No. All these are long term lah, guys. Okay. Actually, nothing much. Okay. Nothing much. Okay. All these are long term. Okay. All these are long term. So weekly swing trigger, yes or no? Weekly swing trigger, because we have the weekly swing Nasdaq, right? I talk about Nasdaq 100 weekly swing trigger. You all see this? Oh, this is weekly swing trigger. Got it? Okay. Weekly swing trigger already. Just hang on. Got it? Any question? Any question? No, Should I add on Hong Kong resume next few days? Up to you lah. Which one? This one or this one? Yes. Okay, so you can buy QQQ for Nasdaq 100. Okay, just remember to put in your stop loss. Okay, guys. Now we go to your voted stocks. Okay, so we have 3 stocks. Okay, Baba, Microsoft, and Square. Okay, 91, 78, and 67 vote. Okay, let's go through them. Baba first. Okay. Baba is Ko Chung Aswan. What is the time frame? Is it position daily? Position daily lah, I think so. Okay. Okay lah. Hang on, no. Nothing to do. Nothing need to do, right? Okay. Got it, guys. This one not bad. Okay, hang on to the trade. Baba. What's the ranking over here? This one curious. 30th of September. Do y'all check the ranking? NYSE, 30th of September. 30th of September. Okay, let me check. Let me check the ranking. Hey guys, must always do the ranking first. Okay, don't just find the stock. Okay, don't just find the stock. You must do the ranking first, then do the arrow. Okay, don't do the arrow first. Okay, 29. If 27, I think it's okay lah. Rank 27, is it? What date is that? 30th, sorry, 30th. Thank you, Maria. Okay. If you all do every week, you all be better than me. Don't have it. Where is my Baba? Oh, 29, rank 29. Oh, here. Okay. Let's assume that I was on this day. Let's assume if I'm on this day, what will I have choose instead of Baba? This one too late already. This one too late. This one, why not choose this one? Or this one cannot lah. This one is corporate action already. Okay, so Duke Energy. I may have choose maybe not lah. This one too gappy already. Yes or no? This one too much gap already, right? Okay, so this one maybe I won't choose. But this one went up, okay, but this one too much gap. Okay, this one limited brands. Limited brands last time some people have, right? Who have this one limited brand? LB. I know who have. Jasmine have limited brand. Okay. Okay. So yeah. Okay. So Baba, hang on. Nothing much you need to do. Okay. Next one is Microsoft. We already covered, right? Microsoft. What is the UATP already? Okay. Yo, so fast exit one every time. Microsoft, what is the time frame? Microsoft, I think it's weekly swing, right? Correct or not? Must be lah. Weekly swing lah. Okay, so weekly swing trigger already. Okay. Stop loss. Where is the stop loss? Stop loss is this stop loss we recently did one. Okay, so the stop loss will be here. Got it? Okay, guys, I don't want to post up. Don't want to randomly choose stock. Okay, because if not, it's going to be very random. So every week I will just pick 3 stocks and go into detail. Okay. So this is a weekly swing. Okay, so maybe let me teach some of the stuff here. Maybe. Okay, so we can see that this is an up move. Yes or no? This is an up move. Okay, this is a down move. Okay, this is a bullish candle. Yes or no? This is a bullish candle, and then triggered. Got it? So what else do you need to teach? Nothing much. Okay. I don't go into Fibonacci, all these things. I think not necessary. Okay, last one is square. Square, we got like 67 volt. What is the time frame for square? Position daily. Well, you're all very what one. Okay, can just hang on. Okay, just hang on. Okay, slightly up. Okay, guys. Okay, I want to summarize again. How you trade, right, is you build position. Understand not? Like how we build position here. Got it? It's how we build position. Don't keep finding new stock, That's not the point. The point is once you write already, then just hang on, right? Do you follow what I'm saying? And most importantly, I think more importantly is the wrong one quickly get out. That is even more important than the right one. Hang on to the trade. The wrong one quickly get out. Then you will ride the big trends. Understand not? Okay, type yes if you understand. Okay. Fibonacci is here. Okay, Fibonacci is here. You can do Fibonacci, but I think don't teach Fibonacci lah. Okay. Please don't confuse your own trading. Okay, because the purpose of making it with arrows and things like that is to make it simple. Get in, get out. Do you follow what I'm saying? Get in again. Do you follow what I'm saying? It's easy. Once you do Fibonacci, you do moving average, all the things become complicated. Yes or no? So you want to be able to capture like this arrow with teeth, right? From here, you capture the majority of trend. Let's say, example, you're not aggressive. It's just the normal way, 82%. That's all. Do you follow what I'm saying? That's what you want to do. Okay, if the signal appear again, buy again. Okay? Okay, guys. Square is Joachim Asana. I think it's position daily, right? Swing, I think, is over already. Swing over already. Yes or no? Can you see? Already swing up already. Okay. Any other like very urgent question? If not, please like and share. The rest of the post, if I didn't cover, please go into the Facebook group and ask. Okay, go to Facebook group and ask. Can go to Facebook group and ask. Any other question? Okay, we got a bit of time. Okay, let me go through the 1 or 2 more. Okay, guys, we got another 5 minutes. Okay, let's go to Ethereum. Okay, Ethereum is. I'm spending quite a lot of time in crypto right now. Okay, just to let you all know, I'm spending quite a lot of time in crypto. In fact, I think it's too much time. Okay, because it's very exciting crypto. it is like very exciting for me, okay, because there's a lot of opportunity, okay, in crypto. There is a lot of opportunity. It's like stock market maybe 60, 70 years ago, okay. A lot of inefficiency, okay, that we see in the market. Yeah, so this is, let's go to weekly first. Okay, weekly is, this is the stock for weekly. Okay, weekly we went from uptrend here to downtrend here to sideways trend here, and then here onwards it goes uptrend already. Yes or no? Do you all agree that this is very impulsive? Type yes if you agree this is very impulsive. Oh, impulsive or not? Impulsive, right? Is this corrective? How do I know it's corrective? Who can tell me? How do I know that this is corrective versus this one? Gabriel, very good. Smaller candle down. What else? Who can tell me why this is corrective? Corrective means like profit taking, right? This is the real strength. This is profit taking. What else? Green line squeeze. What else? GMMA. What else? Green line above red line. What else? Support hold. What else? Fibonacci. Okay. Fibonacci retracement. What else? Some more. There's one more, two more things. Okay. Look at this move over here. Okay, look at this move over here. Can you just notice that what happened to the candlestick here? Here, and here. The tails are there, yes or no? That means what happened? When the price dropped to the support weekly chart, right? Which is here. Can you see this is the resistance? Type yes if you can see this is the resistance. This is a previous resistance, and then resistance turn what? Support. And really never really support, like touch only go, touch only go. Yes or no? Oh, previously there were sellers here. Yes or no? There were sellers here. This part. Previously. Can you see a seller here? Why? Because the price go up and it quickly came down. Type yes if you agree. Understand not? That last time is a seller. Okay. Now it is a what? Buyer. Do you all follow what I'm saying? Oh, this is long-term trend. Okay. Crypto actually, this is long-term trend. Okay. Shorter term trend is like that. Okay. This is the weekly chart like this. Okay. Okay. So the weekly chart, this is the move up. This is the consolidation support right now. It is around here. Okay. Notice the red line and the blue line. What happened? They are what? Squeezed. So what does it mean when they are squeezed? That means it's very easy to go back up again. Do you follow what I'm saying? Okay, because it's like your trampoline. Okay, your this part is very easy to go back up. We know that the long term on the weekly charts, the long term right now, the weekly charts doing catch up. This red line will continue to catch up here. This green line will continue to catch up here. So eventually they meet, then we will find some kind of value, and then it bounce off. Now don't know when it bounce off. Okay, guys. Okay, so let's drill down one more time. Think about the drilling down. Okay, now my question is from this move to this move. From here to here. It's a down move, yes or no? So how do I know that this down move finished? That means no longer going down some more. You follow what I'm saying? That means this down move here, right? No longer going down some more. Now it's supported, right? But how do I know it's going up? How do I know it's going up? Higher low. Where is the high? Higher low already done already. Okay, higher low already done already. What? Higher what? Higher high. Okay, so where's the high? Right. Tell me the price. Yes. Wow, very good, you leaping very good. Okay, around here, right? Got it? So this will be my trigger. Got it? That yes, if you understand, then on the weekly chart, you look something like this. Okay, is it messy? Okay, it looks something like this. Okay, understand, guys? Do y'all get value today? Every week teach something new, right? Okay. Okay, guys. No, I think Trader GPS won't have TKX, BATC, Ethereum inside. Okay, I will put the algo right into the tokenized platform. You all don't know, right now, some of you, I think like 60, 70 of you already have the auto trading tokenized platform. On the tokenized platform, you have auto trading. But I mentioned how many have already? Type me if you have the algo trading. But guys, please manage your risk. Okay, it is cryptocurrency, it is algo trading. Please manage your risk. Can 5,000 max. I don't for the test first. Okay, 5,000. Put it and test it first. It's auto trade. That means you don't even need to do anything. You just put the 5,000. You set in what is the risk parameter. What is the size, and then let it run. But don't overdo it. Do you follow what I'm saying? Okay, don't get aggressive. Okay, this is like the first taste to the crypto world. Okay, of course you can also trade on your own, but this one year will have 7 to 8 trades. Okay, 1 year 7 to 8 trades, and basically trend following. I will ask Chris. Okay, when Chris is here, I'll ask Chris to talk about this. Okay. Okay, guys, are y'all getting value, guys? Okay, Chris busy also lah. So need to ask Chris when he want to do the crypto. I don't want to teach because I trade only. I'm not the crypto expert. Okay, so I asked Chris to do it. Okay, if not, then thank you, guys. Have a great day. Okay, those public one, please come and join us in our SMT. Remember to like and share the post. I give out the book in 12:30, right? 12:30, I'll give out the book. Hey, those 500 people, 300 people in the group, right? You're all leaving already. Go and like and share the post, and later I'll give out the book. Okay, randomly. Okay, I'll give out a book randomly. Later I'll post it on my Facebook page. Okay, can guys? The live post the on the Facebook group the post. Okay, remember to like, share, and hashtag SMT. Okay, $42 also money, right, guys? Hey, this book is very interesting. I got the soft copy, quite interesting. Okay, so if not, then thank you, guys. Have a great day. Thank you, and see you. Bye. Okay, bye.